Hey everybody, my name's Chris. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to share a couple pieces of news with you, one personal and one about the video, and then I also have a very secret project that I've been working on. I'm partnering with somebody to bring something to market, and there's a lot to it, but I'll share that with you when the time is right. But the other thing I wanted to share with you is I've got a scheduled series that's going to start posting about the CNC cut workbench. The first series on the actual CAD design and CNC cutting is going to be dropping in the next week. And also in the next week, and more important than anything having to do with YouTube, we have our fourth child and our first daughter joining us. Very excited about that. My wife's actually scheduled to be induced early next week. And so I'll be putting this completely on the back burner and focusing 100% on family. Except for scheduled videos, you probably won't see any live posts from me. Instagram will be, whatever I've got scheduled already will drop. But other than that, it's going to be family time. And I'm taking a little bit of time off from the real job and focusing on that. So I'll put a couple videos after this for you to take a look at, some of my underwatched videos that I think you might find a benefit in for your shop or your garage. So check them out. They're going to follow right after this. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, I'm going to throw a subscribe button right above me. Feel free to click it if this is something you're interested in. I'll have lots more videos like it. I'm going to put a couple videos over here to my right that I think you'll enjoy. Feel free to check them out. If you found some value in this video, hit the thumbs up button. That helps this video do a little bit better. So do your comments. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on this video or your tips that go along with it. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.